Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Check device compatibility and turn on spatial audio in settings, then open the Personalization app. Next, create or select your head profile. This tailors sound cues to your ears. For the capture, stand in a quiet room and follow the guided scan. Keep your face centered and expression neutral. Once done, verify the preview sample plays and shows correct orientation. Make sure to save the profile before moving to testing. This avoids losing the calibration. Now refine your personalization with the app's detailed steps. Run the ear mapping routine and correct lighting or tilt issues when prompts appear. Listen to binaural test tracks for front, rear, and elevated sources. Pay attention to perceived height and distance. Use the HRTF sliders to adjust elevation and lateral bias to match how real sounds appear to you. Once you find a natural setting, replay varied content, music, dialogue, and effects to validate. Make small adjustments. Subtle change. Finish by validating across content. Play familiar recordings and spatial demos to confirm improved localization and immersion. If things sound off, troubleshoot methodically. Restart the app, rerun the profile capture, and ensure headset firmware and Bluetooth codecs are correct. Also clear Bluetooth cache and retry wired connection if available. Once satisfied, save a final profile and back it up with a label and date so you can restore it later. One key tip: rescan after significant hairstyle or eyewear changes to keep accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.